Welcome to today's presentation. We are excited to explore the fundamentals of smart manufacturing. We'll examine how these advanced technologies and strategies work together to create a more connected and data driven manufacturing process that is efficient, flexible, and responsive to customer needs. In just 5 minutes, we'll provide a concise overview of smart manufacturing and its impact, all explained in one slide. Let's take a look to some enhancers. Decentralization involves distributing decision making power and authority across different levels and functions within an organization, which can improve agility and responsiveness. But what it means? Imagine a manufacturing plant that uses a network of sensors to collect data on the performance of its machines. This data is transmitted to a centralized cloud server where it is analyzed using AI algorithms to identify patterns and anomalies. However, there are a few potential issues with this approach. First, transmitting large amount of data to a remote server can be slow and expensive, especially if the plant is in a remote area with limited internet connectivity. Additionally, there may be concerns around cybersecurity, as sensitive information about the plant's operation could be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Instead of sending all the data to the cloud, edge devices can process and analyze that data locally at the source. For example, the plant could deploy edge devices such as microcontrollers or gateways that can collect, store, and analyze data from the sensors in real time without needing to transmit the data to the cloud. By using AI algorithms on the edge devices, the plant could quickly identify issues with machine performance and take corrective actions before it leads to downtime or product defects. This approach keeps sensitive information stored locally and only shares what is necessary. Virtualization refers to the use of virtual and augmented reality technologies to simulate and visualize the manufacturing process. This can allow for more efficient and effective design and production. In a production line for a medical device, for example, virtualization can involve using VR and AR to simulate and visualize the manufacturing process, allowing for more efficient and effective design and production. Workers can use AR headsets to overlay virtual instructions and information onto the physical workspace, enable them to perform tasks more quickly and accurately. Additionally, digital twins can be created to provide a virtual replica of the physical products or process, which can be used for simulation, analysis, and optimization. This can result in reduced cost, improved quality control, and increased productivity in the manufacturing process. Vertical integration involves integrating different stages of the manufacturing process from design to distribution. This can lead to greater control and efficiency. An example of vertical integration in a production floor could involve a company that manufactures a complex product, such as a pacemaker. The company might use CAD and CAM software to design and develop the device, and then use MES and PLM systems to manage the production process from start to finish, ensuring that all stages of the manufacturing process are tightly integrated and coordinated. The company might also use robotics and automation technologies to automate certain stages of the production process, such as assembly or testing, and use digital twin technology to simulate and optimize the production process before executing it on the factory floor. By leveraging these technologies and enablers, the company can create a more efficient and integrated manufacturing process that delivers high quality products to the customers. Product transparency involves providing customers with information about the production process and materials used in a product. This improves trust and accountability. Technologies and enablers used in product transparency include blockchain, monitoring systems, data analytics, and supply chain management software. For example, in the production of food products, product transparency uses blockchain to secure the source of the ingredients and the production conditions. This data is analyzed to provide customers with information about the product's origins, processing methods, and safety standards. Additionally, supply chain management software can be used to track the product's journey from the manufacturer to the consumer, providing transparency on the distribution process and ensuring that the product meets the necessary standards and regulations. This can increase trust and accountability for the manufacturer and improve customer satisfaction. Horizontal integration involves integrating different functions or systems within an organization or between different organizations, which can improve communication, coordination, and collaboration. For instance, a company that produces peristaltic pumps may have different machines for assembly, testing, and packaging the pump. By integrating these machines and systems using a digital platform, the company can achieve better coordination and real time data sharing, which can lead to a more efficient and flexible production process. The digital platform could provide data on the performance of each machine, such as its uptime, downtime, and output. This data can be analyzed to identify potential issues or areas for improvement, allowing the production team to take corrective actions in real time. The platform could also provide real time data on the availability of materials, which can inform production scheduling and inventory management. The digital thread concept refers to the continuous flow of information and data that accompanies a product throughout its entire life cycle, from the initial design stage to the end of its useful life. The digital thread provides a connected and real time view of the product and its production process, allowing for better decision making, improved quality control, and increased efficiency. Therefore, the digital thread plays a critical role in managing the product life cycle as it provides the necessary information and data for each stage of the cycle, enabling a seamless and streamlined process. Modularization involves breaking down a product into smaller components or modules that can be easily assembled or replaced. This approach can increase efficiency and flexibility in the manufacturing process. Technologies and enablers used in modularization include computer aided design, robotics, and additive manufacturing. For example, in a production line for smartphones, modularization can involve breaking down the phone into smaller components or modules, such as the screen, battery, and camera, which can be easily assembled or replaced as needed. CAD software can be used to design and simulate these modules, while robotics and additive manufacturing can be used to automate the assembly process and create the modules respectively. This can result in increased efficiency, flexibility, and scalability in the manufacturing process, as well as faster time to market for new products.